Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the free Google One VPN on your brand new Pixel 10 Pro. So actually this process is quite easy, but you have to agree on some things Google asks you. First, open your system settings, which are here, and now enter the network and internet. Here, as you can see, they have internet, SIM, something like that, and here they have VPN. Open VPN, and as you can see here, they have VPN by Google. By clicking this gear icon, you can move to the VPN by Google settings. Version always on VPN and block connections for VPN. But that's not this. We have to go back and tap on the VPN itself. Here you can tap this switch, and now you should see the agreement. Agree on some things that Google just asks you, and here you'll be able to use the VPN. I don't have these things because my phone is set and ready for use, and I did this VPN thing earlier. But now, as you can see, here are using VPN. And now here they have a couple of options: pause VPN on selected networks, exclude selected apps, or notifications. We can tap on each option and select. Here, for example, pause VPN on selected networks. Here, get started while using the app. Here, all the time. We have to do this. And now, as you can see, we have all the networks we can add. We can add this one, etc. But we can tap this bin icon to delete them. And apart from that, we do have here exclude selected apps. We have here calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, contacts, docs, drive, etc. Just tap on each app to add here on this plus and enable this switch. Apart from that, disable it. As you can see here, they have exclude operator applications. So this switch was named for operator applications. And now we have here notifications, and we can manage notifications. And that's how it works. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!